Hello friends, this is a home decor channel and today we are bringing you a new idea of boho lights in living room, and we tried to collect some unique and beautiful ideas of boho lights, and we tried to collect a large number of hanging boho lights so you can decorate your living room with boho lights. And some of them are threaded with uh, thread, and some of them are made with jute or rope, and some are made with wood sticks, and there are also unique pieces which are made with thread and beads and pearls. But the most of them are made with wood and jute and ropes, and the collection we are bringing, as you can see, they are colorful too, and they are different, and they are in different shapes and sizes and styles, and the choice is definitely according to the art you like. They're in the form of chandeliers, in hanging, in big shapes and small. They're in oval, round, and many shapes, and some are very big in size, and some are in macrame styles, hanging macrame styles, which are with beads and pearls, and some are big with the space of a single bulb, and they all are just a very good or unique collection of boho lights. As you can see, this is also threaded with thread, and this one is made with pearls and beads, and most of the time they are in macrame styles, and they are adorned with pearls and beads, and threaded with threads in different styles. And boho lights are a good combination with all the boho setup in living room, and they just look amazing and beautiful. And if you are a good advocate of boho setups, then you can choose any one of them for your living room. And most of the lights we tried to collect here are big in size and unique in shape, so you can have one single light for your living room, or you can have a pair of these lights, and you can adjust them accordingly. As you can see, this is just beautifully made and threaded with jute and ropes, and this is just beautiful. And these hanging chandeliers forms are also unique and beautiful. And if you like these unique ideas of this nest type lights and all the other lights which we are showing, please give us a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe our channel so we can work in the future. Thank you.